Hi guys, Stacy here. Welcome to the program. Today I want to show you something that's kind of wild. So for the last few mornings, Kyle has been awoken by a little thump, thump, thump sound. And we were like, what is that? What is that noise? And then we go and look out the back door, and because it's where the sound was coming from, and the door looks like this. Let me show you. Can you see all these marks on the door? I don't know if it's showing up before I'm focusing right through them, but oh wait, I saw a little bit. There's a bunch of them. We're like, what is making all these marks on the door? So Kyle kind of figured out that it was just a bird, but he couldn't figure out what he was doing. Like, why was he making this noise? Why was he running into the window and leaving all these marks on the window? What was he doing? And so he set up his camera, because every time he went to look out the window, the bird went away. So he set up his camera, and this is the very interesting footage that he caught. I think it's really interesting. I don't know why he's doing it, but take a look at this.
So this is the first time I got to see the video.
Yeah. So this is there he is.
Oh my goodness, there he is. So yeah, I was kept on hearing this noise, and every time I would go out the back door to find out what it was, there'd be nothing there. He would have flown away.
Yeah.
Now, and then it took about 15 minutes for him to come back. Every single time he would come back 15 minutes after I looked out the back window. And I think what's happening is that he's seeing his reflection.
Yeah.
And he thinks that it's another male bird. That's a male robin. And he just goes there and bangs on the door, and
He's like, get out of here.
this is my turf.
Get out of here.
Forget about it.
Yep.
He's a New York robin.
He's a gangster robin. He's a 1920s gangster robin.
Are
30s.
you talking to me?
Yeah.
There ain't no one around here, but no, that's not it. He went New York to country in a second.
There ain't nobody around here but me.
But, that makes sense why there's so much poop on that log now.
It is covered with poop.
He leaves logs on the log. That's gross.
That's gross, Kyle. But he'll fly up there, hit it, and then fly back, and then he looks in the backyard, and then he turns sideways and sees himself out of the corner of his eye, or his reflection at least, and then flies back.
And this keeps on going for about an hour.
Yeah. It was crazy. And it's been like this every morning for weeks. Since it got kind of nice, I guess.
Yeah.
Maybe since bird mating season, maybe. I don't know.
I don't know either. Bird mating season. Enunciate those B's and
I
D's.
love bees.
Birds.
Bees. Battlestar Galactica.
Bates.
Bears. Yep. I love them all.
Which we can fast forward it real quickly, and then you can see the shadows moving. How long he's been does this. He just does this over and over again.
Yeah, it's crazy. I can do that. I'll put some time lapse here.
Okay.
I can go up to 200% faster on here.
Whoa.
Actually, I'd probably go faster than that. Just enter it manually.
You're an overachiever.
I'm a noob.
I don't know if that's possible. Can you go 200% faster? Is that mathematically possible?
Yes, you can't give 150%, but you can go 200% faster, yes.
Okay.
Here you go. Sped it up for you.
And if there's anyone out there who's still watching this exciting footage, we need a name for this bird, don't we? So if you think of a name, that would be great. Put it down below. Let us know. We'll let the kids vote.
Put it in the comments.
Is that what it is? I'm new to this. That bird's such a jerk. Remember dirtying up my window? Kind of makes me want Jamaican jerk chicken right now. That sounds really good.
Oh, it does. Jerk chicken with some rice and
red rice and beans and maybe some red cabbage coleslaw.
I like white rice, black beans.
Okay. As
It's
you
all
wish.
good. It's all good.
As you wish.
Cold beer. Oh man.
White Stripe? No, that's a band.
There's the bird potty. Gross. All right, guys. So that's it. That's it for today. Just our crazy bird life.
Crazy life in Kentucky. Watch yourself.
Watch yourself. Check
Bird.
yourself.
Bird is the word. A bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word.
All right, so we're gonna go clean off the window now and make some jerk chicken.
Don't make promises you can't keep.
You're making it, not
Okay,
me.
I'll
I'm
make
making promises you can't keep.
If you want to know the recipe, my favorite jerk chicken recipe that I've been working on for 5 years, do something with your typewriter.
Are people watching this video on their typewriter?
I don't know.
I hope so. That would be amazing.
Send us a picture of your typewriter. This is pre-alcohol too.
Okay. Bye, guys. Love you so much. Thanks for joining us. See you next time. Bye.